Good morning, word study friends. Welcome to this week in word study. Today we are going to sort J, number 74. We're looking at homophones again, which really works out because this week you are also learning homophones and homographs for your grammar. So you guys really luck out because you get a double dose of it this week. Your headers this week are short E, long E, and R-controlled E. Again, homophones. We have the short E, the lead, the long E with beat, and the R-controlled E with deer. We're going to take a look at our sorting this week. If you noticed, while short E is one of our headers, it doesn't have more than one set of words in it. So our only one short E homophone group this week is lead. Lead and lead. The long E, we have a bunch of them. We have beat. We have heel. We have weak. We have peace and peel. Our R-controlled, creak goes in that E, long E, long E sound as well. Deer is that R-controlled. You notice how the R-controlled words have the R at the end, and that's why I knew that creak with the R sound in the beginning doesn't change the sound of the vowel, so it goes in the long E sound. It's still eek. It's still a long E sound. Deer and peer are our two R-controlled words or homophones. Again, your discovery this week is homophones, so that's why you have two of each of the words. Each of these words, while they sound the same, they don't spell the same, and they aren't spelled the same, and they don't have the same meaning. So I hope you're looking for those and learning those different definitions in your word study work for the week. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again, or you will listen to me again on your test on Wednesday. If you have any questions at all about your sort this week, or if there's any glitches, of course, we know my videos sometimes do that. Don't hesitate to come and see me and ask some questions. Remember those 5th grade sentences for your sentences this week again too, please. All right, guys, have a great day.